My video is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website yourcoolwords.com. Yourcoolwords.com is a malicious website displaying fake human verification alerts or some other misleading pop-up alerts which try to encourage users into clicking on a special allow button. To click on allow button, though, is extremely dangerous because this may hijack the browser with plenty of intrusive advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of repeated web push notifications. Therefore, if you have mistakenly clicked on the allow button, you need to fix your browser urgently by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Then pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this yourcoolwords.com, make sure you remove it from the list. In order to make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I recommend you to examine the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.